Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today on How We Cooking Time, we are going to make some nice, delicious, sweet and sour chicken. So for this recipe, these are all the ingredients that I am going to use. A list will be in the description box down below. For my chicken, I clean it with lime and vinegar. I also cut them in 1 to 2 inches. To season my chicken, I am going to start with my Maggi onion and garlic season. Then I'm going to add half teaspoon of paprika. Now I'm going to add my black pepper. Then my Maggi chicken season. After that, I'm going to add some Maggi all-purpose seasoning. Right now I'm going to combine everything, so I want my chicken to be nicely coated and seasoned. Now I'm going to add some extra paprika for color and also some Maggi chicken season and Maggi all-purpose season. I want my chicken to be very delicious at the end, so I'm just going to add a little extra seasoning to it. Guys, take a look at my chicken, all nicely seasoned. So now I am going to cover it and let it marinate for 20 minutes. To season my flour, I am going to use some Maggi all-purpose seasoning. I am going to add Maggi chicken season and some black pepper. After that, I'm going to combine everything. Right now I'm going to add some cornstarch and a little bit of baking powder. Guys, I want to apologize for the video clip that shows when I was dipping the chicken in the egg and coating them in the flour mixture. I cannot find that clip. However, this is how my chicken looks after it was coated. For my preheated pot, I added some oil. Now I am going to place my chicken in. Then once everything is nicely golden brown on each side, I will turn them and allow them to fry for 5 to 10 minutes. These are just chicken breasts, so they are easily fried. Guys, my chicken is nicely golden brown. Everything is fried. So now we're going to prepare our sweet and sour sauce. To make my sauce, I am going to start off with half cup of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, going in with half teaspoon of paprika, some black pepper, some Maggi chicken seasoning, some Maggi all-purpose seasoning, and I am going to add the juice from the pineapples. Then I am going to mix everything. To my preheated pot, I added some oil. Now I'm going to add my bell peppers, scotch bonnet peppers, garlic, and my onions. Now I am going to allow them to fry for 2 to 3 minutes. So my veggies are ready. Now I am going to add my sweet and sour sauce to my pot and let it simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. Then I am going to add my chicken. After 2 minutes, my sauce is nicely coming together. Now I'm going to add my chicken, and then I'm going to ensure that everything is well coated with the sauce. The last thing I am going to add are my pineapples and allow them to simmer for 1 to 2 minutes. There you have it, guys. Our sweet and sour chicken is nicely done. It is all ready. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you're new. Guys, thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for staying tuned on my channel. Hope I see you next time. Bye, guys.